This is a 1993 Carrera 2 964 with 56,450 miles. The gauges all work perfectly. They were restored by North Hollywood Speedo just a few months ago. Car's driving great. This is a little driving video, and give you a little taste of the condition. The air conditioning right now is blowing really cold. It is just under 100 degrees outside, and nice and chilly inside the car with the AC blowing. Even though the car's not moving, it is still plenty cold. Clutch feels good. Its throw is about midway, which is fairly normal. If I were to describe the engagement, it would be normal with just slightly later engagement. By no means feels worn in any way or slipping in any way. G50 gearbox feels great. Shifting nice and easy, smooth. No synchro grinding or anything like that. This is just early driving of the car. Drives great. Little tire home. This car is completely stock exhaust. There's been no chip modifications or performance modifications. The only thing I have done with regard to performance is the 17-inch Speedline wheels, which are typically seen on 993 Targas, but fit without spacers or anything like that on the 964. This car has an additional set of 16-inch tires and wheels. The tire and wheel set is newer with Nexen tires. These tires are way old and need replacement. It's typically what I wouldn't see on a 964 of this age. Normally see some Michelin's or higher quality tires, but this car definitely needs tires, whether you choose the 16-inch or 17-inch wheels. Again, we're going to do some low speed shifting, and it feels very normal. Feels good. Again, feels very solid and reliable. Engine fires right up, no issues. Goes straight to idle, stays there. Getting a little tire noise. These are pretty aggressive tread blocks on these tires, and they're very outdated. I think they're 2014, and here we are in 2024. Car came from an estate sale, and it really hadn't been driven in a few years, so it came through our shop, and we are preparing the car for sale. So the videos and everything are done by experienced Porsche technicians and Porsche enthusiasts. Entering an on-ramp for interstate driving. Traffic. good drive, no issues. I would only complaint I would have is that the tires are aged. A little bit of a vibration. As you can see, it's really not in the steering wheel. It appears to be vibration at higher balance at higher speed. There was zero smoke at startup. I've started this car probably half a dozen times, and it's never smoked at startup. The oil pressure is pretty normal. Oil level is normal at startup. Of course, you have a maximum oil pressure, and it tapers off as the oil thins up, gets warmed up. Everything appears to be working perfectly as a 964 should. Has a good maintenance history of oil changes and service. No major problems that were reported in the service history. Again, 56,457 miles on it now.